Hello everyone, welcome back to our results from our group, Elite Traders Crew. I hope you had a great weekend, and I would like to say something about our group community, Elite Traders Crew, before starting about the results. So this is a community where you can get support from our team of traders, where you can share your thoughts, your strategies, and get help from us. And also you will have their opportunities about the market occasions. And I would like to say something about what we had last week. So before starting, I would like to say that the results are not gonna guarantee you success in the future. So let's start. Here you can see on my laptop, for example, how we started Monday of the last week. So we started with selling the currency pair of Great Britain pound and US dollars. You know, we had on my laptop, on my screen, you can see that it was deleted automatically because it was not really good. And as you can see, it was deleted, but still we have a profit of 2.47. What happened? As you can see, we opened not only one, but several positions, which I mean, we have opened at least this day, we opened two positions. We are selling Great Britain pound and US dollars, and we were buying Great Britain pound and Australian dollars. Because it was changing, it was stronger compared to US dollar and it was weaker compared to Australian dollar. So we played on that, and for Tuesday, as you can see, we didn't do much of a trading. To be exactly, we did 0 positions at this day. And for Wednesday was really interesting day, because as you can see, Wednesday was not really good day, because we opened day with selling gold for US dollars, and we did hit sell limit. We had a loss of 1%. Yes, it was not really good, but you know, this was for the entire day. But for the evening, for some people who stayed with us, who were still optimistic, we set up the position at 5 p.m. We set up two positions at two limits. For example, it was 1661, and at the limit of 1664 we opened two positions. I mean, like, we did set up, so we set up the order, so both of the positions were opened automatically. And as you can see, it was like the difference between opening we set up and it was opened, and first and second, literally it was 3 minutes of the difference. We set up at, as you can see, 18 and 59, and it was opened at 1903, and the second position was opened at 1907, and in 2 hours we have made profit of 6.1. And as you can see, some people were angry, some people were really happy about that, because some people was like, oh, we made a loss, and they were like, okay, I will go work or something. And when they see next day that we've made 6% of profit, and they're like, it's pity that I didn't stay with you. And some people stayed, and they like really happy, as you can see with these emojis. And for Thursday, as you can see here, we've made a profit of 2.15. For the Friday, we didn't as well opened no position. And for the last week, first week of the November, we have made 9.72%, which is really good, because we are continuing our strike that we are winning almost 10%, almost exactly the same number every week. And for example, I would like to say that, okay, so these are the results for the last week, our positions, and as you can see all the details here about the stop loss, take profits, that it was sometimes it is automatically closed because we did not really good, and sometimes it's like 6% of the profit in just one day. So I would like to tell in examples of, in case of we had some kind of external capital that you can read about more in the description. Let's imagine we had $10,000 of external capital. In this case, this 9.72% would be $972. And in case we had a little bit more, which is 50,000, we could make $4,860 in just 1 week, or literally in 3 days that we did play on the market. Or in case of we had the maximum, which is $200,000, we could make $19,440, which is again like really great. Okay, so To have more information about how to get this external capital, or if you want to get into our group, Elite Traders Crew, you will find all the links down below in the description. And I would like to thank for your attention for watching this video, and I recommend you to watch all the videos that you see on your screen. Thanks and goodbye.